Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Panasonic electric shaver and trimmer for men ES8103S Arc3, wet dry with 3 Nanotech blades, and flexible pivoting head. Beyond the 10 though, there is absolutely no other warning. When the shaver decides it's out, it stops abruptly. Failed repeatedly in a horribly bad way under the chin, curved lower and upper neck areas, and along the jawline. Bottom line, the unit is far too bulky for the curves and contours it's trying to handle on the face. Although it may take a few passes, it gets all of the whiskers every time, even those stubborn neck hairs that go every which way. No more guessing if it's going to die mid-shave. The head is flexible, which allows for a very close and quick shave. Hope it keeps doing that, and the blades don't have to be replaced too often. For anyone with an ear affliction where loud noises bother them, this may not be your shaver. The LCD display is easy to read, and shows the amount of battery life remaining in percent. Time to shave seems to be slightly longer with ES8103, and the blades get hotter. Once the Norelco gets dull, the replacement heads are 55 or so. The new R12 head doesn't fit the old R12 setup. The new shavers don't have the pop-up sideburn trimmer. It is fast, and produces as smooth, or smoother a shave as the blade razor. The charging is easy, and then you get to hold this ergonomic wonder in your hand to effortlessly glide it along your curved skin. It's easy to clean, does a great job, charges quickly, and the blades and foil are supposed to go a fairly long time before needing replacement. It does not tear up his neck, or miss any whiskers, exceptionally quiet, and holds the charge better than the last ones he has had. To be clear, this razor does not shave as close as a blade, but it comes very close. 9598 the performance of a blade. The shave is very comfortable, but you do have to repeatedly revisit problems areas to achieve that result. It holds a charge for about 810 shaves, and the recharge process is easy and fairly quick. Battery backup is on the okay side, but gives 45 good shaves before the need for recharging. Great razor, and would buy again given the price, but feel it's worth 20 more for the Arc3 at this point. The Panasonic, by contrast, has blades and foils that come apart in a second, so that whiskers have nowhere to hide. Everything came off without follow-up strokes, and best of all, there was no sensation of pulling or even cutting. But it's nice to have the option. Also, some people have mentioned the noise this razor makes, and it sounds really cool when you go into the super high-speed cleaning mode. Cleans up easily, and stores nicely in the drawer, no moving back and forth from the sink to the shower. To me, a basic shave with this razor looks like about a one-day growth after a razor shave. The build feels solid, feels good to hold outside of the somewhat intense and loud vibration. This is a very nice electric shaver, closer shaves than past Norelco or Remington triple head rotary deals. It cuts better on the flat surfaces of the face than it does on the curves. If the battery dies, it requires at least 20 minutes to recharge enough to finish the shave. The Arc3 blade system flex and pivots to better conform to your facial contours. This one simply is far more superior, and in some instances even better than a traditional razor shave 3. It does not take kindly to facial hair that lays down, especially those on the under the chin area. The foil and blades are so much more cheaper for this unit than the quad blade max quintuple facelift lawnmower style electric razors. So, if you plan on shaving at least every other day, want low-cost replacement foil blades, and are satisfied with a 80 clean shave, this is probably great bargain. For me, it's no big deal, but if guys are really that sensitive, this makes some noise. Charge doesn't hold its odd, but it seems like the charge dissipates on its own quite quickly. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.